Hello everybody! So China Admissions, we are organizing another Chinese University Open Day this Saturday on 27th of June. So have you always wanted to learn Chinese? Or wondered how is it like to study in China at a Chinese university? Or you wanted to explore more Chinese history and culture? Then you should definitely join our Chinese University Open Day and meet top Chinese universities. And of course, it's all free for students. So the online fair will start at 4 p.m. China time. So each university will be given 12 minutes to present about their unique programs. And after the presentation, you will have an opportunity to ask questions directly from them. So during the presentation, the universities will introduce about their programs. What is it like to study on their campus? What is it like living there? And what is the admissions process and how to apply? And they will also provide scholarship information. So the participating universities are Sino British College, Nankai University, Wuhan University, Huazhong University of Science and Technology, Beijing University of Chemical Technology, Zhejiang University of Science and Technology, Tianjin International Chinese College, that's Mandarin, and Hutong School. So our previous open day was a success. We had 15 universities and 1,299 students from all over the world joined us. So if you want to meet the top Chinese universities this time, please click on the link below and register for the event.